This is 12 miles outside the city of New Orleans on Interstate 10. We're going to block this channel off. 16-foot high, 265-foot long AquaDam. We have to put plywood down in front so the excavator will not tear up the pavement. Trying to push the AquaDam into the water. It doesn't want to slide, so it's taking us longer than we thought. We finally got the thing to move, so she's floating.
Okay, come on back, don't go out. Don't go up, come on back some. Yeah.
Well, we've got the AquaDam launched. Now we're trying to push it into position with a 5-horsepower Coleman boat. Okay, stop. 5-horsepower engine pulling this big dam. Weighs about 20,000 pounds. Of course, it is buoyant when it's in the water. That corner right there, but it's coming around. Way over there with an excavator, he's pulling this rope right here. It's simply been around a tree.
Hey, we want more?
Sure. Yeah. we're moving the boat so the hoses will not be on the bottom of the canal, because we're sucking way too many weeds into it, and pumps are running, but we're not pumping enough water, and that's the problem. We need to clean our screens. See, there's a clean screen. Once you turn it off, pull up the screen, all the stuff falls off. Now we've brought the suction hoses up, and the ends of it are in clean water instead of on the bottom. And it'll pump a lot more water quicker. That's where we're headed to, the green spot. Eight-foot high AquaDam. It's in 9 feet of water. We've already taken water out of it, compensate for the height of the water. It's simply elevated by this shoreline. That's what elevates the end of this 8-footer is the shoreline. That's a 12-foot high AquaDam. And this is a 16-foot high AquaDam. 260 feet long, double closed end. It's been here about 4 days. These are the fill tubes of the 8-foot high AquaDam, elevated up the bank. And as the water goes down, it'll even be elevated higher than the water level that it was installed in. This is the log that we rolled the AquaDam up on. We're in a Louisiana marsh by Lake Pontchartrain outside the city limits of New Orleans, Louisiana. The end of the 16-foot high AquaDam, both ends closed. The AquaDam has quite a wow in it. It has slid in the middle approximately 22 feet, and all AquaDams should be expected to do this. This comes in good.
Yep, that's it.
One big turtle. Let's get him a close-up and see if Hollywood wants him. Oh boy, he's sucking his head in there. He don't want to have any part of that. Here, turn him this way so I will be his sun. He'll be in the sun. Turn him up a little bit. There we go. This is the mud that's been pushed up between the two AquaDams. The little white thing are mussel shells, or at least some type of shell. They got squeezed out underneath the AquaDam. The shells look like they're abandoned shells. And as the water goes down, this mud will appear more and more along the side of the AquaDam. It's trapped and being compressed between the two AquaDams. Everything works just great. The pumps are bringing her down. There's 2 6-inch pumps running on the other side of the freeway. And it's coming down 4 inches per hour. Now you can see the light on the other side of the bridge. Underneath of it, the water's down so far. This is Tuesday, day 5. The area's been brought down approximately 3 feet, dewatered. They're only going to bring it down another 2 feet, and then they can get their work done underneath the bridge. You can see the mud has come up. The AquaDams has pushed the mud roll up and to about a depth of 7.5 feet from the bottom. There's a lot of mud all the way down along the AquaDam. You probably can't see it because the white makes it not focus the camera. More pictures of the mud. This little flow of water is coming around the end of the larger AquaDam and underneath the smaller 3-foot high AquaDam that went over a bunch of weeds. Right here. You can see the water bubbling in right here. It's where these two dams come together. We didn't get the 3-footer stuck underneath the 16-footer far enough, and it's allowing water to leak. They may put a sandbag in here, but I think they're just going to leave the pump going because it needs to run. See how well this little 3-footer is holding back the water here, and it's dry over on this side. Here's the bridge that they're going to work on. Pretty bad shape. Concrete's already falling apart. The other side of the freeway. Back at the Interstate 10 project, New Orleans, the water came down another 12 inches in the last 4 hours. This is the afternoon of day 5, Tuesday, February the 19th. The area is dewatering nicely. They have one 6-inch pump keeping up on the seepage from both sides of the bridge. The other side being over here in this wetlands area. Can't see it very well. You can see this is the underneath of the bridge. They needed to bring it down 4 to 5 feet. They've already brought it down 3.5 to 4 feet. This is the little channel we've been crossing with a boat. I don't know how far that channel goes back, but it's draining out slowly. A little walk plank. Walk the plank. Otherwise, this mud's so soft you can go up to your waist in it. Boy, you can really see the mud piling up now. The old watermark line where the water depth was on the shoreline. The bank is rather abrupt. In this location, anyway. The start end of the 16-foot high AquaDam. And the water that's running down between them is coming from here. It's where the 3-foot high AquaDam abuts into the end of the big AquaDam. We didn't get it under far enough. There was too many weeds in the way. We weren't allowed to cut any of the weeds. So this is the leak of water that's running down between the two AquaDams. Other than that, it's pretty much a 100% seal of the 16-foot high AquaDams. I haven't determined yet if there's additional water, but it doesn't appear to be. Right here is where the water is being let into the work area on this side of the bridge. And of course, the other side of the bridge, they put up a piece of plywood at the weir to keep water from running over the weir in both directions. And so tidal water cannot re-enter the work area from the opposite direction, the other side of the bridge from where the AquaDams are.